As a beginner in trading, it's important to start with a solid trading strategy to guide your decisions and minimize your risks. Here are some steps you can take to develop a trading strategy. Are you comfortable with investing in high-risk, high-reward stocks, or do you prefer to invest in more stable, low-risk options? Understanding your risk tolerance will help you create a portfolio that'll develop a trading plan. Once you've chosen your investments, create a plan for buying and selling them. Determine the criteria for entering and exiting trades, such as price targets or technical indicators. Monitor and adjust your portfolio. Regularly monitor your portfolio and make adjustments as needed. Stay up to date on market trends and news that could impact your investments. Stick to your strategy. Finally, be disciplined and stick to your trading strategy. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on emotions or short-term market fluctuations.